Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with SoFi via bank transfer, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing with SoFi via bank transfer, first log in to your SoFi account. On the main dashboard, locate the transfer option. Click on withdraw funds to proceed. Next, select your preferred withdrawal amount. Choose the bank account you wish to transfer the funds to. If you have not linked a bank account, you will need to add one at this point. To link your bank account, enter the necessary bank details as prompted. After entering your bank information, confirm the details to ensure they are accurate. Once your bank account is linked, return to the withdrawal screen. Review the withdrawal amount and bank account details. Confirm the transfer by clicking on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation indicating that your withdrawal request has been processed. Keep an eye on your bank account, as it may take a few business days for the funds to appear. For tracking your withdrawal, check the transaction history in your SoFi account. If you encounter any issues during the process, reach out to SoFi customer support for assistance. That's all there is to it. You've successfully withdrawn funds from SoFi via bank transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.